Hello everyone, blessed rainy day to all of you out there. Um, I want to share with you the book of Pastor Rick Warren, The Purpose Driven Life. This is a 40-day reflections, but I want to share with you this one of his topics. You are not an accident. I really so love this topic. You are not an accident. Yes, you are not an accident. I am not an accident. In Isaiah 44:2, I am your creator. You were in my care even before you were born. So sa wala pa daay ta natawo sa plano pa ta sa Ginoo, we are in His care. Gina-care na ta sa Ginoo. And our birth was no mistake or mishap. And our life is no fluke of nature. Dili kini sulagma lang, dili kini tag-an lang. Our parents may not have planned us, but God, giplano niya, gipahiluna niya ang tanan. He was not at all surprised by our birth. Wa siya na surprise ni. In fact, He expected it. Long before you were conceived by your parents, you were conceived in the mind of God. He thought of you first. It is not faith, nor luck, nor chance, nor coincidence that we are breathing at this very moment, that we are working, that we are kung sa atong ginabuhat dira tanan. Because that is the will of God. In Isaiah 46:3-4, I have carried you since you were born. I have taken care of you from your birth. Even when you are old, I will be the same. Even when your hair has turned gray, I will take care of you. I made you and I will take care of you. So this is a beautiful promise of God nga bisan di ay ubano na ta, bisan di ay mangunot na ta, God will still take care of us. God, dili mausab ang iyahang paghigugma kanato, dili mausab ang iyang pag-atiman kanato. And if there was no God, we would all be an accidents. No, kung wala ang Ginoo, aksidente lang gyud ay tantanan. But there is a God who made us for a reason, and our life has a profound meaning. In Romans 12:3 says, the only accurate way to understand ourselves is by what God is and by what He does for us. So, sabta na to ang atong kaugalingon kung unsa kamaayo ang Ginoo diri sa atong kinabuhi, kung unsa siya ka Dios diha sa atong mga kinabuhi, o dili ka na mahimo na bisan si kinsa lang ang Ginoo ray makahimo na sa atong kaugalingon. And let us remind, friend, that we are not an accident. You are not an accident. Okay? So love your life as you love Jesus Christ, because He first loved you. Bye. Have a blessed day.